Hello children, hope you all are doing good. I am Sumati. This week I am going to teach you subject numeracy skills, topic revision on numbers from 1 to 100 and addition. Day 1 revision of numbers from 1 to 100. Children, as you have learnt the numbers from 1 to 100 in your previous class, shall we do a recap of it once again? Okay, shall we begin now? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Children, you need to complete writing numbers 1 to 100 as shown in the picture. Dear parents, please assist your child to write the numbers from 1 to 100 once in the notebook. Day 2 Addition. Children, this is Ria. She has come to meet her friends Tina and Sam. Tina and Sam had been to a fair and they got themselves balloons to play. Seeing Ria, Tina calls out to Ria and tells her, Ria, I have 5 balloons. And Sam also tells, Ria, I have 3 balloons. Now, Ria will ask them, how many balloons do they have all together? So, Tina and Sam will start counting their balloons. But how will they do that? So, Tina has 5 balloons now. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We add these to the other 3 balloons. So, it will be 6, 7 and 8. And all together they will answer they have 8 balloons together. But how do we get that, children? Tina had 5 balloons and Sam had 3 balloons. So we added them together. But how do we add? 5 in our mind and 3 fingers in our hand. And after 5, it is 6, 7 and 8. Now we got 8 together. Did you understand, children? Then Ria will go to meet her friends Tanya and Tom, who are in a garden. After seeing Ria, Tanya will tell Ria, I have 3 flowers. And Tom will tell, I have 4 flowers. So Ria will ask them, how many flowers do you all have together, Tanya and Tom? So Tanya and Tom will now add the flowers together. Tanya has 3 flowers. Shall we add now? 1, 2 and 3. After 3 it is 4, 5, 6 and 7. So they will add the flowers together and they will say, Ria, altogether we have 7 flowers. So how did they add, children? Now shall we do it? Okay. So Tanya and Tom have 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7 flowers. So 3 in your mind and open your 4 fingers, and as you count you need to fold your fingers. So 3 in your mind, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that's how they got number 7 together. Alright children, this is how you need to add. Children, you need to complete the pages 146 and 147 from your workbook as shown in the previous slides. Dear parents, please assist your child to complete the work from the workbook. Day 3. Count and draw. Here children, we need to count the number of objects from both the boxes and draw them together. For example, how many caps do we see in the first box? Yes, there are 3 caps. And in the second box, how many caps do you see? Yes, there are 2 caps. So, 3 plus 2 caps will be equal to 5 caps. Now, shall we draw all the 5 caps now? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have drawn 5 caps together. In the second example, how many pumpkins do you see in the first box? Yes, there are 3 pumpkins. And in the second box, how many are there? Again, there are 3 pumpkins. So, how many pumpkins are there altogether? Shall we draw now? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have drawn 6 pumpkins together. Totally there are 6 pumpkins. Now children, we will be counting and adding the objects. Okay. In the first example, how many eggs do we see? We see 3 eggs. And in the second box, how many eggs do we see? We see 3 more eggs. So 3 plus 3 is equal to number 6. So totally there are 6 eggs. In the second example, shall we see how many logs are there? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 logs in the first box. And in the second box, shall we see how many are there? 1, 2. There are 2 logs. So totally how many logs are together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally there are 7 logs. Now we shall draw the objects according to the numbers and count them. Okay? Now, which is the first number? It is number 4. Shall we draw 4 crayons now? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have drawn 4 crayons. Now, which is the next number below 4? It is number 3. Shall we draw 3 crayons again? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now, what is the total number of crayons altogether? Shall we count? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, totally there are 7 crayons. How many crayons are there together? 7 crayons. Now, in the second example, what is the first number? It is number 5. So, we will draw the objects. Okay. 1 duckling, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have drawn 5 ducklings. Which is the next number after 5? Number 4. Now, we will be drawing 4 ducklings again. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ducklings are there? 4. So, totally shall we count the number of ducklings? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, totally there are 9 ducklings. Count and write. Children, we shall now count the number of flowers and write the number in the box. Shall we count? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, how many flowers are there? 12. So, we will write number 12 in the box. In the second example, shall we count the number of dolls and write the number in the box? Okay? Yes. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, how many dolls are there? 10 dolls. So, we are going to write number 10 in the box. Children, we shall be adding numbers today. But how do we go about it? We have number 1 plus number 2. So, we need to add them together and write the number in the box. So, we need to keep 1 in our mind and 2 fingers in your hand. As you count, you need to fold your fingers. So, after 1, it is 2 and 3. So, the answer is 3. In the second example, you need to keep number 3 in your mind and 4 fingers in your hand. So, the answer will be 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, the answer is together number 7. Children, you need to complete the exercises from your workbook from page number 148 and 149. Dear parents, please assist your child to complete the work from the workbook. Day 4. Count and add. Children, we see 3 circles in this slide. How many teddy bears are there in the first circle? There are 4 teddy bears. And in the second circle, do we see any picture? No, it is empty. So, what did you learn in your previous class if it is empty? Yes, empty means nothing. That is 0. Now, what do you see in the third circle? We see 4 teddy bears. So, in the first circle, we see 4 teddy bears, and in the second circle, we see nothing. So, it is 0. And in the third circle, again we see 4 teddy bears. So, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. You must remember, children, that when 0 is added to a number, the answer remains the same. So, 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Shall we see the next example, children? Okay. Now, how many balls do we see in the first circle? We see 6 balls. And in the second circle, do we see any balls there? No, it is empty. So empty means 0. So 6 plus 0 is equal to 6, and there are 6 balls in the third circle. So 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Again I will repeat by telling 0 added with any number, the answer remains the same. Children, you need to complete the pages 150 and 151 from your workbook. Dear parents, please assist your child to complete the pages from the workbook. Day 5. Shall we have some fun activity with addition? Okay. What do you see here, children? Yes, we see number 3 followed by a red rectangle, number 4 followed by a blue rectangle, number 5 followed by an orange rectangle, and number 6 followed by yellow rectangle. And we also see a square, triangle, circle and a star. Did you notice that each of these shapes have numbers which need to be added? So what we must do is we should add the numbers, and once we get the answer, we need to color it as per the rectangle corresponding to the number. Shall we start with the first shape, children? Okay. The first shape is a square, and the numbers we need to add are 2 plus 1. How do we do that? 2 in your mind and 1 finger in your hand. After 2, it is 3. So the answer is 3. So children, which color do we need to color the square? Yes, the color given in your number 3 on top is red. So you need to color the square with red. Now the second shape is a triangle, and the numbers we need to add are 0 plus 4. How do we do that? I have already told you all children that the number added to 0, the answer always remains the same. So the answer is 4. So children, which color do we need to color the triangle? Yes, the color given near number 4 on top is blue. So you need to color the triangle in blue. Now the third shape is a circle, and the numbers we need to add are 3 plus 2. How much is 3 plus 2? It is 5. You're right. It is 5. So which color do we color now? The color given near number 5 is orange. So you need to color the circle in orange. And the last shape is a star. And the numbers we need to add are 4 plus 2. How much is 4 plus 2, children? You're right. It is number 6. So, which color do we color the star? The color given near number 6 is yellow. So, you need to color the star in yellow. Dear parents, please assist your child to complete page 172 from the workbook. Thank you and stay safe.